I just want you to focus. Pull me in, pull me closer. Give me that diagnosis. Blow my mind like explosions. Just one touch leaves me helpless. On repeat like it's endless. That she's turned to a white dress. Looks so good, damn, you did this, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. Just focus on my love.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, welcome. For my returning subscribers, hey fam, how's it going? I hope all is well with you guys. So for this video, I am really excited about it because I got another wig sent to me, yays. So I am going to just be installing the wig, but I'm just going to show you guys first what the wig looks like and everything before I install it on my head. So I came in this little bag here, and this is what it looks like in the packaging. So they did send me wig caps, a pair of lashes, and then the wig itself. So the details on this wig, so this is a Bob wig, so it's 10 inches long. It's color P4 and 27. 27 is like really a color that I love because, you know, it's the honey blonde looking color. So this is what the wig looks like. This is like a perfect length for summer because right now in New York City, it is so hot and so humid. So I don't really want like super long hair or long wigs on my head because I don't like when hair touches the back of my neck when I'm really hot. So this wig is the perfect length and it's so pretty. So it is a 13 by 14 lace wig. And the name of this wig is Bobo, which is an interesting name, but it's cute, so we're not gonna complain too much. So I am going to start getting ready to put this wig on. I'm going to braid down my hair. I'm not going to show you guys me braiding my hair. I'm just going to do some straight back cornrows, and that's really it. I'm probably going to have my mom do it for me actually, so yes. But you guys will see me when I am going to actually install the wig on my head. So see you in the next clip. Okay guys, so I am back, and as you guys can see, my hair is all nicely braided thanks to my mama, bless her. So to start, I am just going to be putting on my wig cap. So I'm just going to be using one of the ones that they sent me. I do have like a lot of wig caps. I just don't ever know where they are. Like I put them on and I take them off and just like toss them around my room, to be honest. But the one perk of buying wigs is the fact that most wig company do send you a pack of wig caps with a wig. So I'm just putting this on. I'm not going to be doing like the ball cap method because like I rarely do the ball cap method just because I'm not the best at doing it. So I'm just making sure this is on my head. If you guys see me looking now, I'm like looking in like my mirror to make sure I'm like putting this on properly. So now I'm going to like try on the wig on my head just to see like how it fits. Do I need to adjust the straps or anything like that before I start like cutting the lace and just gluing it down and everything else. So this wig comes with like 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and 1 towards the top of the wig itself. Oh, I really like how this looks. I really love the color. Like, this color is so pretty, guys. Okay, let's see. I think that looks pretty centered there. So here it looks centered. It doesn't, I don't think I need to really adjust the band at the back or the clips or anything. This fits my head pretty nice and snug actually, but guys, look how the color just looks already. I think this color looks so pretty on me. Okay, so we're gonna take it off. I am going to apply some foundation onto the wig itself so it matches my skin tone, you know, it doesn't look weird. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I put some foundation on both the lace of the wig and my wig cap. If you don't want to do that, or if you have lace tint, like you can just use that. Obviously that's a lot better and you're not, in a sense, wasting your foundation. So now we are going to just like put this on, and we're gonna like figure out where we're gonna put the glue. So this is, oh nope, my wig cap is getting pushed back a little bit where I want it to sit. So this is where I'm gonna have it like sitting. So we're just now going to bring this back a bit, because one, my wig cap is being pushed back a little bit more than I wanted to. Struggles, guys. I'm very much, I always struggle. Okay. So now I'm just going to, I'm using Ghost Bond glue. So I'm just going to put that on my skin right where I want to lay the wig. And remember, this is a 13 by 4. I think I misspoke earlier, but this is a 13 by 4 wig. So yeah, just going to do that. I'm just taking the side of this bobby pin to just like spread this out on my forehead a bit. Okay guys, so I just went and blow dried this a little bit. I also used some wax mousse to help like flatten out the wig more. But now we're just going to be cutting this lace. Okay guys, so this is what the wig looks like now that it's fully installed. I hope you guys like it. I'm in love. I really love the color so much. I think this color suits my skin very well. And once again, this is a color P4 in 27. And this wig was very affordable. It was under $100, which I think that's amazing. And it comes with Prime shipping, so it came within 2 days. Love that for me. And for anyone who decides to order this wig, I will leave the link in the description box down below. And if you guys have any questions or concerns with this wig, let me know in the comment box and I will try to answer all of your questions as best as I can. As always, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.